One of the problems with the new Nexus 4 is there's a muffling of the sound when placed on a desk or on a coffee table. Now if you listen to the volume when I call it, you'll hear how it rings. It's not very loud. So what I did is I bought a case in the hopes that it would improve the sound, but it was exactly the same. So what I did is I got the case and I did a hatchet job on the case, and I cut a square which leaves a little area there to allow the sound out. So I'm just going to put it on the phone. Right, there we go. It's on the phone, and I'll try ringing it again. It's not a neat job, but it's work in progress. I bought another one. They're only £1 a piece, these rubber S-line cases. So I've sent for another one. I'm going to do a much neater job. I hope it's helpful.